Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Trail Boss Custom. This big beautiful black truck does come with that 2-inch factory lift kit, the 5.3 liter V8 and the 6-speed automatic transmission. In the interior of this big beautiful truck, you do have that 4x4 switch there. You have auto 2 high, 4 high and 4 low. As well as this truck being brand new, you do only have 11 kilometers on that odometer. Cruise control button on your steering wheel with the black Chevy bow tie. 7-inch touchscreen for your audio controls. This truck does come with AC. Drop the tailgate from the inside, traction control. You do have your trailer gain output switch here as well. USB outlet. Dual glove box compartment. Jet black interior with cloth seats. Love these seats, very easy to clean and maintain. Now this center console as well does fold up to be a 6th seat. So this is a 6-seater truck. On the exterior of this big beautiful truck, you do have those beautiful 18-inch black wheel and tire package with those Goodyear Duratracs. This is an off-road truck and those are off-road tires. As well, it does come with the OEM GM running boards there, the beautiful tubular running boards or off-road oriented look. The Trail Boss sticker, of course. Beautiful LED taillights, trailer and tow package, dual chrome exhaust. What else more do you want in a truck? Coming back into the interior of this beautiful truck, you do have the 60/40 bench spot. Seat in the rear here. Seats do fold up. Lots more space there. This truck also does come with GM's custom formed rubber matting. Keep any mud or dirt or anything out. Beautiful fitment. Seats come back down. This is a 6-seater truck as well. I know GM has also did for all your tall friends. You do have a little extra headroom there. So everyone's comfortable in this truck. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk around video on this brand new 2020 Chevrolet Silverado Custom Trail Boss. We hope to see you down at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest.